Ludens have been sewing irritated throats with sour great tasting drops. Luden sewing throat drops help relieve minor discomfort and protect irritated areas in sore mouth and sore throat, so you can get on with your day. Luden's throat drops come in a variety of flavors and are great for the whole family at home or on the go. Indications: Luden's throat drops for use inside the mouth is used to treat minor sore throat pain or mouth irritation caused by a concussor. Generic name: menthol topical. Menthol is man-made or made from the extract of mint oil. Menthol provides a cooling sensation when applied to the skin or other tissues such as tongue, gums, or inside the cheeks. How to use: Adults and children 3 years of age and older. Allow 1 drop to dissolve slowly in mouth. May be repeated as needed or as directed by a doctor. Children under 3 years of age ask a doctor. Contraindications: You should not use Luden's throat drops if you are allergic to menthol. Ask a doctor pharmacist if it is safe for you to use this medicine if you have other medical conditions, especially cough with mucus, cough caused by smoking, emphysema, or chronic bronchitis. A sore throat with fever, headache, swelling, skin rash, or nausea and vomiting, or if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. A menthol lozenge may contain glucose, sugar, or phenylalanine. Talk to a doctor before using this medicine if you have diabetes or phenylketonuria. Warnings: Sore throat warning. If sore throat is severe, persists for more than 2 days, is accompanied or followed by fever, headache, rash, swelling, nausea, or vomiting, consult a doctor promptly. This may be serious. Stop use and ask a doctor if sore mouth does not improve within 7 days. Irritation, pain, or redness persists or worsens. Side effects: Get emergency medical help if you have signs of an allergic reaction, hives, difficult breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. Less serious side effects are more likely and you may have none at all.